we had some incredible news today that inflation, in fact, is slowing down. I'll be taking a look at SPY and how we broke out of a major consolidation phase and how we are setting up for a rally to $430, which is our next level of resistance. And then I want to show you guys that tomorrow we have another inflation report coming out, which is the producer price index, and I want to keep you guys updated on that. And overall, other than that, I'll be taking a look at a lot of technical analysis, not only on SPY but also the tech ETF, because it is still trading sideways, and then Google, and as well as UAL, ticker symbol UAL, which I have entered in a play for a swing. So overall, let's get started with the inflation report as well as the catalyst tomorrow. So we saw inflation cooling down this month, and 8.5% was a very nice person that was below forecast. So overall, this caused a very nice rally. Now, not only that, we also have another catalyst tomorrow. So tomorrow pre-market, just like how I warned you guys yesterday, go to cnbc.com pre-market. You will have the report live on this website. So just keep in mind of that. This is pretty much another inflation report, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Just keep in mind of that. Now let's get into the technical analysis of SPY, the S&P 500. Now we broke off that major level of resistance. Okay, we closed above, and we closed very nicely. Look at this candlestick. It looks like kind of like a slanted hammer candlestick, bullish hammer stick. This candlestick looks very nice and very bullish. So overall, let's take a look at the chart. We closed above the resistance. Our next price target is our next resistance, which is 428. So that is my next level of price target. Now, one thing to keep in mind is please copy my charts. Use the link in the description to open up TradingView and copy my charts, because we broke off a major resistance and now our support is 416. Okay, that was the resistance we broke. Now that is the level of support, because keep in mind that we are bearish below 416 because we have a gap. Okay, so let's remove this. We have a gap below 416. So I want to keep you guys reminded on this, that we did gap up. So we might have a potential short play below 416. So the bulls need to hold 416 and the bears need to go below 416. So please copy these charts. So that is pretty much it with the SPY. As long as if the SPY holds 416, we are good for 428. Now let's take a look at QQQ, which is the tech ETF. So all of Tesla, Apple, Google, all tech stocks are on this ETF. So overall, it is lagging a little bit. We are consolidating, and we did not break out like the SPY. So overall, our level of resistance is 328, and above 328, my price target is the next resistance, which is 340. So this level of resistance. So QQQ again looks very interesting. Again, consolidation phases are very good. Whenever we consolidate, we set up for a very nice move, and that is how we play, and that is how we profit off playing these breakouts, and whichever side it actually breaks, we play that side. So that is what I'm looking at for QQQ. Now let's take a look at Google, because Google did break above and it closed very nicely and bullish. Unfortunately, I did not grab a play for Google, but if you did play it, 122 looks very nice. I'm not gonna play Google, but I did play ticker symbol UAL. So I got in some calls for UAL. Unfortunately, I didn't have that close that I wanted. I needed to close above $39. I need to have an indication that we closed above this level of resistance and that we have entered the gap, because this close was actually very weak. So UAL looks very nice. I entered in a very small position because, again, we have inflation report tomorrow, and we just don't know. It's another coin flip catalyst. We're not gonna know if it's gonna be good or bad. So overall, I'm watching UAL above $39. My price target is $41 with a very, very nice gap play, and I'm loving this play. It's a very cheap play. We're breaking the downtrend, and then we have a very, very nice gap. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very simple video. Again, please be careful. We have another inflation report pre-market. But if this report comes out very, very good, we're going to have a very, very nice indication that we are going to higher highs, especially with the next week. We don't, it doesn't look like we have any catalyst. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Bye bye.